Thealoz Duo is a preservative-free eye drop designed for people with moderate to severe dry eye symptoms. Its formula combines two key ingredients, 3% Trehalose and 0.15% sodium hyaluronate. Trehalose helps protect the cells on the surface of the eye from dryness and environmental stress, while sodium hyaluronate is well known for its ability to retain moisture, providing long-lasting lubrication and comfort. Together, these ingredients are designed to hydrate, lubricate, and protect the ocular surface. The drops are preservative-free, phosphate-free, and compatible with contact lenses. The multi-dose bottle uses a special dispensing system that helps keep the solution sterile without the need for preservatives, making it suitable for frequent use by many people with dry eyes. Clinical studies have shown that Thealoz Duo can improve tear film stability and provide relief for several hours after application. Many users report noticeable improvements in symptoms such as dryness, burning, irritation, stinging, itching, and blurred vision, especially when the drops are used consistently over time. User feedback is generally very positive. Many people describe the drops as comfortable, long-lasting, and effective for everyday dry eye relief, particularly during extended screen use or in dry indoor environments. Some users even consider Thealoz Duo one of the best preservative-free eye drops they have tried. However, as with any eye drop, individual experiences can vary. While many users experience significant relief, others find that a different type of eye drop works better for their particular condition. Overall, Thealoz Duo has built a strong reputation among eye care professionals and dry eye sufferers thanks to its preservative-free formulation, its combination of trehalose and sodium hyaluronate, and its focus on both protecting and lubricating the surface of the eye.